we have what's been super hot recently, and that is meme coins. You've been hearing a lot about meme coins. Things have seemed like they've kind of started to cool off a little bit, but meme coins have been all the rage. So AJ, I want to ask you, before we dive into any other specific alts, let's talk memes for a second. Have you been playing the meme markets at all? And if so, talk to me. Well, you can talk about some specific ones if you want, but tell me what kind of strategies you normally would use as it relates to meme coins.
Yeah, for sure. So, you know, with trading, like with traditional leverage trading, I'm not like an all-in, all-out trader. Most of the time, I'll like set certain levels and squeeze out. But with meme coins, I take definitely an all-in, all-out approach. Especially because you're not like really leverage trading them, so you're kind of just like monitoring like how much ETH is in there, and once it hits a number that you like, just bail. I did really good on Pepe. I did really good on Bam. I did really good on Richard. I did okay on Pope. I'm 4 for 4 in the past couple of weeks on them, so I had the drop on a lot of it. I mean, it's kind of unfair, but it's the way it is. And I did great. I mean, there are people in the office that did way better than me. I could have been a little bit more ballsier especially with Bam. I could have put so much more money in, and I was just kind of like, dude, I don't know. Like I couldn't even look at a chart. Like I just got sent the contract address and they were like, send it. And I was like, oh, okay. And like, you know, some people put in like an absorbent amount of money. I put in a good amount, but not what I should have. And, but you know, you live and you learn. Like I've been burned in the past, like trying to chase it. And with this time, I happened to be ahead of the curve for a majority of those trades. And it ended up working out pretty good. I missed like the Ben and like some of the Suka and Wojak. I missed a couple of them, but I was really focused on Bam for a while. Even now, I'm still day trading Pepe. You know, it's on the perpetual market on BitGet. It's on perpetuals for KuCoin. It's a super easy coin to leverage trade. It's really predictable. It follows basic TA. I don't know if I can like show let me share screen, Pepe, share. All right. So this is what I've been looking at. Similar to Evan, I run Market Cipher, but I also run Lux Algo, basic visible range volume profile. I run, what's that thing called? I forget. The Nadaria Watson envelope. It's another thing of Lux Algo. Lux Algo has like a bunch of free things, and then like the SR patterns and premium are behind a paywall. I like using SR patterns, and I also really like using price concepts because it shows the order blocks. Big fan of this. You can kind of trade like with the volume in mind a lot of the time. This is a 7-minute chart because I'm a true degen. But if you kind of scope out here on Pepe, it looks like kind of a lot of the volume is actually above the current price point. I'm not against shorting it. I have shorted it before and it had worked out. It is probably worth a good short right now. I would bet my bottom dollar that if you shorted right here with 5x leverage, you would probably make out 25% as long as you sold here, or you could just steal the trade and go here and get out at the bottom of that wick, 3.5%. That's probably an easy win. It's definitely going down off the 50 on the RSI. The money flow is going red. But I feel like this is going to turn around at some point, considering how much of the order blocks and the volume is above the current price point. So Pepe is a really easy coin to day trade all day long.
Why?
Because it's volatile. In crypto, let me stop sharing my screen. In crypto, when you talk to like your dad or whatever about crypto, they're like, oh, like, don't get into crypto. It's too volatile. Well, I'm thinking to myself, like, I want that. Like, I need that. Like, especially if you're trading with leverage and most of your trades last less than an hour, without volatility, you're not going to get anywhere. And a coin like that, if Bitcoin's trading in a 2% range and this coin's trading in a 10% range and the money's made in the middle and you can catch 4% of that 10% and do it with 5x leverage, you just made 20% on X.